So, hello sir. So, in this video, I will demonstrate how SQL injection works on the Altoro Mutual website and explain its impact on web security. This is for educational purpose only. Always follow ethical hacking and guidelines and do not perform these attacks on unauthorized website. So, this is the Altoro Mutual. So, first is punta tayo sa login. Then, SQL injection is a technique used to exploit vulnerabilities in a website database by inserting malicious SQL code. If a website does not properly sanitize input, attackers can manipulate queries and gain unauthorized access to sensitive data. So, sa username, kung kung wala sa database ang nilagay mong username and password, ito lalabas. Kung kahit anong nilagay mo dyan, hindi siya maglalagin fail siya. Then, dito sa mutual, sa Altoro Mutual, meron siyang code para makapasok ka. Yan. Kahit anong nilagay natin dito. So, meron siyang code na para makapasok sa admin. So, ito yan. So, kahit anong ilagay mo sa una, basta meron yung code na to. Then, kahit anong password. Yan. Makapasok tayo sa admin user. So, kaya na natin i-manipulate itong mga nasa laman niya. So, edit users. Yan. Yan. Then, sa SQL injection naman is, pakita muna natin yung explain muna natin itong code na to. So, dito banda is yung user input. Then, itong dulo is yung comment. Parang i-disregard niya yung password para ma-open yung admin. So, bakit to dangerous? Then, hackers can bypass authentication and access user accounts. And attackers may extract sensitive information from the database and website. Website without proper input validation are vulnerable to data breaches. So, para ma-prevent to, so, para ma-prevent siya is implement web application firewalls and then sanitize user inputs before processing. So, meron siyang code dito para ma-prevent. Pakita natin. So, rule niya is prepare. Then, bind parent. So, select from users. Then, where users is equal to question mark. Then, end password is equal to question mark. Yan. Then, so yun lang. So, this demonstration shows how dangerous SQL injection can be. So, ethical hacking helps improve security by identifying vulnerabilities before attackers exploit them. Always follow them practices to protect web application. So, yun lang, sir.